Welcome to Project Insight. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bulk update users. To begin, from the users page, click this More Options icon, then click Advanced. And the next step is to edit the columns to only the identification columns and the columns of the values that you want to edit. For the purposes of today's example, we're going to be editing the company values of these users. So you'll click Filter, you'll go down to Columns, and then you'll only include in selected columns the first name, last name, username, as well as the columns of the values you want to edit. So for me, that'll be company. So I'll remove resource type and admin. You'll then click refresh. And as you can see, only the columns that we selected are listed. You'll then go to the top right corner and click this export icon. Click export to Excel. Open up that new Excel file. You're then going to enable editing. And now you'll edit the values you want to change. For this, we're going to assign Adam, John, Patrick, Arthur, and Jim to the Acme company. So you'll just scroll that down. Make sure to save your file, exit out of it, and back on the advanced users page, you're going to click this import option. You're going to choose the Excel file that you just edited. Click upload. And now you're brought to the results screen where you can see your updated values. Make sure everything's correct. And once everything is correct, make sure that these checkboxes on the left are checked. Otherwise, the values will not be imported. Click save. Click done, and as you can see, all of the user's company values have been updated to Acme. And you can see that in the symbol view as well. For more information on users in general, you can refer to our documentation and videos on the subject.